Okay, so the next step is I've got this unit set up in a way that I can put it up here because it's under the unit, but I've got a long enough pipe that I can actually bring it up here to do a demonstration. That's the purpose, so I could do demonstrations. Now, I want to show you how you know if the water purification system needs changing, okay? If the filter needs changing. So I'm gonna plug it in right there. And then if I take out this top, it's telling me, hey, you took out the top, Jose. So here's the part for the water, and I'm gonna start pouring some water here, all right? Hear that beep? That means that the filter needs to be changed. So what do? All right, we're gonna need a couple of things. This is probably the long part, and I'm gonna break it up into some other parts. This is the long part of getting this changed, but watch how simple it is. Take out this cover, okay? Put this aside. It's gonna complain, no problem. You've got, if you want it to stop complaining, you gotta remove this top here, okay? Remove this, that's what's complaining. And then you remove the cable from here. Power, just remove power. Set this aside, all right? This is the part of the unit that has that takes care of the bacteria, right? After the water passes through the filter, this is the last part that gets rid of the rest of the bacteria, because the water purification system has to pass. It definitely has to pass. Let water pass through, of course, and then minerals, right? Essential minerals that are in water. So I'm gonna remove that. That part is out, yes. And by the way, I've got this tool still here. I'm gonna show you what it's for. You see these two pipes coming out of here? There's two. There's a thin one and a thick one. There's no way to mess them up, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to remove the hoses so that you can get the filter from in there. See this tool here? Right here. Right there, guys. You put it in there, you press in, all right, and you pull out, okay? So I'm gonna do this in an odd way, but what you gotta do is put the tool in here, okay, let's make sure we've got this right. Okay, put the tool in there. Sure it goes in. Takes a little bit. Once you get it the first time, you're good. There and there. All right. So I've got the two hoses. Can't mess them up. That's the thicker one. That's the thinner one. This tool here presses on those parts and basically makes it so that these hoses come up. So put that aside, all right? It's no big deal, guys. Now the filter is released. We're gonna pull the tool this side. We're not gonna need it anymore. This comes with every eSpring, so you can actually toss it. Let me show it again, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna unscrew this part. Yes? Put that aside, and then there's a lever right here, guys. I'm gonna see this. I already got this. I'm gonna show you all sides. There's a lever right here. See it? You lift that up. And what I'm about to show you is something very amazing. All right. I'm gonna have to toss this water out. That way I don't make a mess. Okay, this way I don't make a mess. All right. I'm grabbing a towel here, guys, ladies. I'm grabbing a towel here. Just grab a towel, okay? All right, so I want you to know what I'm going to show you now is very important, all right? This is what eSpring does. I'm going to remove, actually, I don't think I need to remove it, but I'm going to remove this. All right, put that aside. All right, guys, look at this. Okay, are you ready for this? Okay. You've seen this, right? I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to grab, okay, this guy right here, and I'm going to lift him up. Ready? Are you ready for this? My goodness. All right, let's now put them side by side, and I'm letting it drip because there's a lot of dripping going here. And I'm gonna move the eSpring out of the way, and I'm gonna put this on top of the towel. All right, and I'm gonna put the new one right next to it. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to explain something to you. All right, there's a lot of stuff with our water and coming from anywhere, whether it's city water or well water, whatever it is. We've got city water here, and it's great, better than drinking other water, but look at the difference. Okay, I'm showing you because it's important to know the quality of the filter that we're getting when we get eSpring, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. So basically, all you do is you turn this guy, turn it, all right? Keep turning it, turning it, turning it. We're gonna keep turning that guy, keep turning it. And at some point, we can just pull it out. I've got that aside, I've pulled it out. And now I'm gonna pull in the new one. Okay, guys, pull in the new one. There. Make sure you got it in there tight. There, see it? Feel that? All right, got that? Yes? All right, so I'm gonna come back on the next part and finish this because I've got to do a little bit of cleaning of, the container that I just took out, and then I'm gonna put this right in, all right? All right, guys, one moment.